All right, back cooking with Chef P and Bonz. And what you're looking at is our mini bread pudding. This is the before, and this is after the chef does his thing to it. I sprinkled a little powdered sugar on there. And keep in mind, these are the mini banana bread puddings that the chef has created. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna slice this open, like so. And we're going to hit that bread pudding with a little blackberry sauce. Right down the center of that bread pudding. And it make you say, na 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 na. After, before, after.